this, Sam.
Fuck all that, bro.
Yo.
I'm not gonna lie no more.
Yo, Barrel Line. Check this out, bro. Bro, you mean, bro? Come on. Yeah, I threw up on the plane, yo. I don't know. That was my first time on the private jet, and I threw up, man. I threw up on the cockpit. I think it's because I drank alcohol the night before. And I don't drink alcohol. Yeah, bro. That's what I've been making for the past 3 days. Hold on, I got another one. Play another one real quick. What's good, Pooh? I got this one right there. Man, me and Keo, we could do whatever, bro. You give us a laptop with FL and we could do whatever.
Facts.
You want us to make pop, we gonna do it.
Facts.
You want us to make reggaeton, we gonna do it.
Everything.
Everything.
EDM, techno, whatever, man.
Techno? Hell no, nobody make techno anymore. Yeah, the 808 slide, it's Keo, man. Keo said he can't do that shit, but he done it. He started doing it yesterday. But yeah, I'm gonna send you a pack, Barline. We'll send you some requests to join. But yeah, let's get back, bro. Just wanted to play on this beat.